Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and this shower niche from Neodrain has saved us so much time with our bathroom renovation.
When you are DIYing an entire bathroom, you want anything that is going to make something quicker and easier. And this has done it. It comes with everything that you need for the install with very detailed instructions. And I do have to say, this was so easy. We just added the wiring as instructed, did a quick fit test before we put up our waterproofing and tile, and the end result is absolutely gorgeous. I love this stainless shower niche. It is this beautiful matte black and it has three of these beautiful LED downlights. It looks so sleek with my new tiled shower, and I love how big it is. We got the 30 by 12 and it has a depth of 4 inches, so it is deep enough for all of my shower accessories, making it not only functional but elegant as well.
So if you're renovating your bathroom and you're looking for a quick and easy shower niche install, this one is absolutely perfect. I love it, and that's my point of view.